Mercer is eating a bottle through his first set of real fireworks. He saw some fireworks at a Memorial Day birthday party for a 4-year-old in Asheville, but they weren't the loud, booming kind, but it doesn't really seem to faze him, probably because, you know, he's pretty occupied. And also, we're a little bit behind the trees. Can't really see too many of them. See a little bit with fireworks. He jumps a little bit every now and then when there's a really loud boom, but